Welcome to Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society's group of institutions, integrated campus, Hyderabad. Estimation, quantity surveying and valuation. I am Dr. A. Babu, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. In previous videos, we solved the problems regarding the embankment of roads and railways. And in this video, we are going to see how is the cutting quantity. See here, see one problem. Problem is involving banking and cutting. There is a two types. Okay, wherever the slope is there in the ground level, this will see. So upward gradient is there. We have to go for cutting. Whenever downward gradient is there, we'll go for banking, right? See here at the 30th chain is the height is of banking is the height is that is 0.3 meters. Okay, this is 0.3 meters height. If you see here, this is 0.3 meters height, right? See, and at 31st chainage, for one chainage, it is cutting depth of 0.4 meters. See, like this, the cutting, suppose this is the our road. Here when you see embankment is like this. Here the slope of your road is like this. So you have to cut like this 0.4 meters. Okay, this is cutting. Find the volume of banking and cutting if the formation width 10 meters and the side slopes are 2:1 in banking and 1:1 in cutting. See here, see what is the formation width? Top of the banking or bottom of the canal. Okay, see, we have seen the formation width in previous videos. If you observe this previous lectures, see, if you see in this area, in this slide, see here, yeah, this is formation width. Reverse to this canal. This is road work, right? This is formation width. Okay, and see, that is formation width. Here banking is there and we have cutting. Cutting means here in this cutting 0.4 meter depth. If you see here, if you observe the cutting depth is 0.42 meter, 0.4 meter, 0.40 meters. Find the volume of banking and cutting if the formation width is 10 meters. That is length width of B equal to 10 meters. What I have shown you. And the slopes, side slopes are 2:1. Okay, and that is in banking, but in cutting 1.5:1. That is S in banking 2, S in cutting is 1.5. See here, if you see shapes, if you go here, may not have the shape. Okay, yeah, see here, suppose I will draw here. Okay, this is banking. See, this is a banking slope. See here, this is a 30th chain edge. This is, 2. This is equal to 2. Similarly for cutting, reverse, right? See here, cutting is reverse. See here, if you like this, if you see like this, see here undo, see here like this. Here is cutting. If you see here, see here, this is reverse of this cutting, right? See, if you see, this means S equal to 2:1 and 1 S equal to 1.5:1 in cutting. So chain edge distance is 40 meters, is given like this. This is 40 meters. And we assume that this is 0 at the X. From here, X, this is 0. We'll assume that, right? So length of cutting is equal to, here from trigonometry equation, here from the trigonometry equations, okay, here, see, if you see this one, if you see this one, see, yeah, you can observe this one, 40, here 40 minus, okay, X, this 40 minus X, this 40 minus X, right, divided by into this by X by 0.3. This is here 0.3. If you see, this is 0.3. So observe carefully. This by this X by 0.3 is equal to 40 minus X divided by 0.4 into 0.4 X. So this is a simple trigonometry. By equal trigonometries, you will get this one, right? See here, if you see length in cutting and volume of banking. From this one we calculated X. At a distance X 0. Now volume of banking, we calculate mean height, that is at 0 and 0.3. Okay, see at 17 meters the value is 0. Here if you see, this is 17 meters. So here 0. So this embankment value, this cutting value, we have to calculate. That is the problem. Now here if you see length of cutting is equal to, we got X equal to 17 meters. Volume of banking equal to mean height, that is 0.3 plus 0.0 by 2, that is 0.15 meters. Okay, central area equal to 10. 10 means this one, and 0.1 mean height is 1.5 square meter. This is central area what we calculated. Now side area 2, that is 0.15 into 0.15, that is equal to 0.05 square meters. Now total area, central area equal to, that is 1.5 plus 1.55 square meters. This you can calculate directly. That is mean sectional area, that is BD plus SD square also. Same value you will get, that is total area of banking mean area sectional area is equal to 1.15 square meter. So volume of banking equal to that average area into length. What is this area? This average area here, if you see from year to year, if you see, this area is 1.55, that is into 17, that you will get volume 26.25, that is volume of banking. Similarly, we have to calculate volume of cutting. Now see, from 40 minus 17, how much you will get? Say this width is year to year 23 meters. So this is cutting. Okay. Now this mean cutting is average depth is here 0 at this place 0.4. Average depth here D, mean depth is 0.4. 0.4 plus 0 by 2, this is 0.2 here. So we can calculate mean mid sectional area, that is 0.2. So central area and side slopes, that is BD plus SBD square equal to 2.06 square meters. So volume of cutting equal to area into length, that is mid sectional area is 2.06 square meter into 23. How you got the 23? This 40 minus 17. You will get from year to year 23 meters. So 47.38 cubic meters. So volume of cutting, in this way we have to calculate. This is only simple trigonometry. From simple trigonometry, where cutting height, where the cutting depth and embankment height, where 0 is coming, that we have to find from trigonometry observations, trigonometry calculations. These are two equal right angle triangle formula. This by this equal to this by this. So from this concept, we are going to calculate the area. Okay, this is depth, length, and we have to calculate mid sectional area at this place. 0 plus 0.3, 0.2, 0.3. This you will get height at D1. This is say D2. We'll calculate area of this into this length, and area of this trapezoidal section into length. You will get cutting area. In this way, we have to calculate the cutting. See, only thing is this is application of simple trapezoidal formula mathematics. Okay, we'll see some more problems in next video. Thank you.